Let's talk about adverbs and how they are formed. Now I'll tell you, if you don't know what adverb is, before you watch this clip, you might want to check out my other clip called What is an Adverb? That would make a lot more sense then. All right, part one. If an adjective ends in the letter E, we add the suffix mente to turn that adjective into an adverb. Example, clever is intelligente. Cleverly is intelligentemente. Patient is paciente. Patiently is pacientemente. Interesting is interesante. Interestingly is interesantemente. Recent is reciente. Recently is recientemente. So, how do you form an adverb? Well, dozens and dozens of adverbs are formed by taking an adjective that ends in E and adding mente. But you can't always just slam mente on the end of an adjective and make an adverb. Unfortunately, it's a little bit more involved than that. Here's part two. If an adjective ends in the letter O, to turn it into an adverb, we have to change that letter O into A. We have to make the adjective into the female form, and then we add mente to turn the adjective into an adverb. That's kind of confusing. All right, let me give you some examples. Just remember, if an adjective ends in O, if it's male, to make it into an adverb, put it in the female form and add mente. Slow is lento. Slowly is lentamente. Notice, I turned the O into A. Rapido is quick. Quickly is rapidamente. A. Estupido is stupid. Estupidamente, stupidly. Listo is clever. Listamente is cleverly. And finally, seguro is sure or safe. And seguramente is surely or safely. Okay? So, how do you turn an adjective into an adverb? If the adjective ends in E, just add mente. If the adjective ends in O, first put the adjective that ends in O into the female form and then add mente. Part 3, and this doesn't happen very often. Hey, Spanishguyhult, what if the adjective does not end with O or E, like facil, which means easy? Then you just add mente directly to the word. So, those are the 3 ways you can turn an adjective into an adverb. If it ends in an E, add mente. If it ends in an O, change it to the female form and then add mente. And if it doesn't end with E or O, which does not happen very often, just add mente directly to the adjective. Cool.